The most serious emergency New Mexico has ever seen. That's what Governor Michelle Lujan Grisham said today. She's now bringing in extra help when it comes to things like mask enforcement. But how exactly will that work? News 13's Rachel Knapp is live in the studio to explain.
Jess, the Department of Health says, has the authority to get a court order to require people to isolate if they've tested positive for COVID-19. And for people out in public not wearing masks, the governor says she's calling on other state employees for help cracking down.
This is a crisis level, never seen before, horrific situation.
This week, we're seeing record-breaking infections in the workplace with 611 rapid responses, with responses doubling at stores and restaurants. New Mexico has reached an 8.1% positivity rate with a rolling average of 404 cases. Our goal is 168.
None of this behavior is allowed. You can't be standing at a bar.
The governor is saying this is why she's adding new restrictions tomorrow, including restaurants that serve alcohol have to close by 10 p.m.
I'm prepared to make another really tough decision.
And she's threatening to take more action, including restrictions on indoor dining, allowing fewer people inside stores.
Mask wearing is getting more and more relaxed in the state.
Lujan Grisham says law enforcement has not done enough to enforce the mask mandate. So now she's calling on state employees like Game and Fish and the Environment Department to pick up the responsibility.
Expect my new team, my additional team, to really go after the bad actors out there who have been consistently violating our public health orders and adding to the problem and the crisis that we are attending to today.
She didn't go into specifics on how this new enforcement will look.
I actually hate to give people the notion that we're going to be driving up and down neighborhoods. Of course we're not. First of all, it would be ineffective. We respond to when someone says, this is occurring, can you go take a look?
I just think that's crazy. I mean, we're all adults. We don't need people telling us what to do and how to act.
Albuquerque locals are split on today's announcement.
It's tough. There's not a silver bullet for this. And, you know, it takes us coming together and doing what needs to be done as a community to make sure this happens, you know, to make sure that the numbers go down.
The state is reminding people you can report non-compliant businesses, mass gatherings, and other health order violations to this state hotline. It's received more than 1,000 complaints in the past couple weeks.
If we don't get it right, I have to restrict high-risk activities. That's the only other tool I have in my toolbox. It will save lives and it will prevent us from overwhelming our hospital and healthcare system.
The Department of Health says they have gotten a court order 3 times to require people who have tested positive to isolate. The governor is urging people to stay home, order to go, and shop local online. Jess.
All right, thank you, Rachel. The governor is predicting it could be another 9 months before a vaccine is readily available and life starts getting back to normal.